You're a teacher, a good one. So you know the Adobe Certified Associate certification is a great way to give your students a head start out there. It's industry recognized for entry-level jobs. It can provide college credit, and it ensures they have the know-how to keep up.
Oh, you call that download?
But you're thinking, just what exactly do we have to do to get these ACA certifications? Well, let's have a look. To get certified, your students need to pass an authorized exam in one or more of the Adobe applications. Adobe applications are timed and include knowledge-based questions like multiple choice and magic, performance-based simulated tasks, and live in-the-app questions to test a student's real-world capabilities using the Adobe application. And our live in-the-app versions on PC and Mac allow the student to work and test in the Adobe CC software that you use in class each day. Once they pass, they'll receive an Adobe Certified Associate certificate for their college application and resume, and obtain a digital badge for their online profile. That's it! You're up and running with the ACA certification program, and your students will thank you for it. Now, all you have to do is do what you do best: teach.